Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a new folder or new directory using Java. So let's get started with the video. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को करें सब्सक्राइब और साथ ही साथ दबाएं बेल का आइकन, जिससे जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. So guys, basically this is my project and this is the path of my project, and I want that whenever I click on this upload button a new file chooser should open, and whenever I click on it, so it will be automatically create a folder, and it should that image should be saved in that particular folder which is created. So how to do that, let me just show you. So just double click on the upload button, and in the upload button I have already written the code for choosing a file from a file chooser. If you want to see this video I've already created on it, you can go through my channel and check the video, or also I'll provide the link in the information button, I button there. You can just click and check out the video. So guys, just let me show you, I want that the folder which I want is that upload folder should be created here. Inside that I want a new folder should be created. So how to do that, you have to just define the path here. So I'll just write new here, new path, and then inside it I will write the name whichever folder I want. Let's say upload slash I want, inside this I want a one more folder which will name as profile images. Okay guys, so this is the string I have taken here. Now what you have to write is, you have to write here file space, I'll name it as directory here. You can name it anything you want. File directory equals to new file, and inside this I will just pass the new path which I have created. Now I will just check whether the directory is created or not. So I will write here directory dot exist, and I want that if directory is not existed, that means if the folder is not created, then it will automatically create the folder. Okay guys, so if directory is not exist, so I will just write directory dot mk dirs. So guys, I have written here directory.mk.dirs because I want two folders to be created. The parent folder is upload, and inside there is a child folder which name is profile images. If you want only single folder, so you have to just write mkdir, so that will work. But in my case I want two folders to be created, one parent folder and inside that a child folder will be there. So inside this I want the image should be saved inside this. Now I will show you how to do that. You have to just write here a new file name, which name will be source file, and here I am taking it as null, and then here I am taking it as a destination file equals to null. Okay guys, now here I will just write a code which will remove the extension from the file name here. So I want the extension of the file, so what I will do is I will just write here file extension and the file name, the file which is stored inside this, and inside this I'll just split it, and from the dot index, and then it will automatically put the extension inside this. And now here I will have to write source file equals to new. So basically what I have done is, I have just taken a source file from the source. You can see here the source file which is selected from the chooser, and I have created a destination file. Now I want that source file should be copied into the destination file, so I will just write the code for that. So here you have to write files dot copy, and then you have to just write here source file to path and comma, and you have to write destination. So you have to just import an important library which is import for Java, and in this way you have to just check. Let me check the error. What's the error here? So it is a giving error here, so I have to put it inside the try catch block. So you can see here I have taken this into try catch block and the error is gone. So basically before that what I was doing is I was just converting the file into bytes and I was storing the bytes into database. So it is a wrong method because the database will become heavy then. So instead of that I am just copying the file into a particular folder which is the base root folder of the project. So in this way you can just copy the file, and you can just in this way you can just create new folder and copy the files, whatever important files PDF or is there, you can just save it inside the root folder of the project. And let me just show you. So this is my directory here, and this is the folder. You can see here upload folder is not created. So once I click on upload button, it will ask me for choosing a file. So I will just choose a file from a desktop, and from here I'm choosing a file name as screenshot. Okay, and I'll just click on upload, and let me just show you. So the upload folder is created, and when I click here, so you can see a new file is created inside the profile, I mean the upload folder. So you can see here the file is saved with the same name. So there is a problem in my code, not a problem but a small mistake. So what I have to do, I have to put a slash here, or I can just put a slash here only. Let me just run it again, and when I click on the image here, let me just select a file, let's say logo.png, and I'll click on open button, and you can see here, let me just open the folder and new image is created with the same this thing. Okay guys, so in this way you can save the file inside a folder, and also in this way you can just create folder if it is not existing. That's all for today's video, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.